Hello everyone. In today's recipe, we are making a delicious summery strawberry salad with a light, healthy pink dressing that I know you will love. If you like strawberries, you have to try this one. Now let's start with the dressing. Use a blender to make everything smooth and creamy. Add your strawberries, then about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of mustard, a drizzle of honey about a tablespoon or two, some olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Blend everything together until there are no lumps and you get that silky smooth texture. Give it a taste test and adjust it to your liking. This strawberry dressing tastes so good you're gonna love it even on its own. You will find all the ingredients listed in the description. Now let's assemble the salad. Start with a bed of mixed greens. I love using dark leafy greens like arugula and spinach because they pair perfectly with the dressing and the fruits and veggies we're about to add. Slice some cucumbers, not too thick or too thin, and arrange them nicely over the greens. Next, cut your strawberries in half and add them over the salad, saving a few to add at the end for a pretty finish. I'm going to save a quarter of them for the finished look. Slice an avocado into thick slices and add that too. I'm going to add them in the corners and some of them will go over the salad. This is of course just optional. For extra flavor and color, I like to use two types of apples, a red one and a yellow one, using about half of each. You can add one type, but I want it to be extra. Finally, peel and slice an orange. Citrus works so well with leafy greens and adds a sweet, tangy touch, perfect for hot weather. And that is it. A refreshing, colorful, and very healthy salad. You can enjoy this as a light lunch, a snack, or even serve it with some cheese on the side. I promise, with this beautiful dressing and vibrant ingredients, you will impress everyone, even yourself. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss on a delicious new dish. See you in the next video. Bye bye.